Bitcoin officially has broken out, and in this exact video I will be going over my price targets and how perfectly this pattern could have been traded. So make sure to stick around till the end of this video, because I will be going over the most important price targets where we should be looking at right now. Bitcoin is recovering. I will be talking about important resistance and much more on today's update video. As well, we'll go over my $100,000 Bitcoin long position and much more. So don't forget to slap up that like button on today's video. Once again, can we smash it above 400 likes? That will be absolutely incredible. And let's jump straight away in towards the video. And first of all, yesterday I made a video, but by accident I uploaded the wrong file, so I'm sorry for yesterday's video. But let's jump in towards today's video. In yesterday's video, of course, I once again discussed the symmetrical triangle that we were consolidating in, and like you can see, exactly from the point we broken out, we had this retest. I posted this on Twitter over the symmetrical triangle that was about to be breaking out here. We confirmed the breakout after the candle close right here. Then we had a beautiful retest exactly on that level, and if you did open up a long position on the exact retest of this level, you would have made a gain of an approximately 2.4x, and yeah, with a 10x leverage, that's like 24% gain. So that's a significant amount, especially in the market conditions we're currently in. But like I've been saying for quite a while already, we had an initial uptrend. We had the symmetrical triangle, what is a continuation pattern, and since we were in an uptrend, so it was likely to continue the trend once again back towards the upside. But more importantly, we could have seen it on all these levels. On the 1 hour time frame, we were looking at this range here. Every single time, basically, we were retesting the highs right here. We were retesting it as support in this time, and I've said it several times before in my videos. This is a level where I expect that Bitcoin is going to be bouncing from as soon as we do break above it, and we're going to be having that retest. So if you did long this range right here, you did an amazing job, and you would have made like a 3% gain already. So yeah, things are looking good. I have said it several times before as well. I think my price targets are going to be around 18.2k right now. I think Bitcoin is going to consolidate in the top side of the range here. And of course, unless we do break below that red box of support, if we really break below the red box of support, I think it's likely to see Bitcoin come down all the way towards levels around 15.7k. So yes, if Bitcoin does break below the red box of support, we could be visiting levels between $15,000 to $16,000 once again. So that is definitely not going to be a good thing for Bitcoin. But as long as we're trading above it, things are actually starting to look quite all right. And especially on the 4 hourly time frame. On the 4 hourly time frame, we can see previous resistance got us rejected several times before, and now it is flipping into support. And while we were flipping this level into support, we were clearly seeing a price compression, right? An upward sloping support line where the lows were basically getting higher every single time, and also a downward sloping resistance line where the highs were getting less exponential and they came lower and lower and lower. And due to that, we create a symmetrical triangle. And yeah, at one point you of course just confirm a higher high again, because here it was lower high, lower high, lower high, and then at this point right here we confirmed the higher high, and we basically confirmed the breakout for the Bitcoin price action right here. So Bitcoin broke out on the 4 hourly time frame. To be very clear, what are the exact price targets we will be aiming for right now? On the 4 hourly time frame, the price target is somewhere around 17.6k, what is of course from of this point of recording another 2% move towards the upside, what is actually quite a significant move here. And if we're really going to be looking at an important level of resistance, you're going to be looking at this level right here, right? So the 17.5k is the previous range high in the market, and I honestly do expect that that level right there is going to be providing a lot of resistance. Basically the range between 15.7 and 15.5k, that is going to be the majority of resistance for Bitcoin. I will be setting up this box to make it a little bit more clear, but this is, in my opinion, significantly the level where we should be looking at. And most certainly, we are going to see a rejection. If we do break above it, things could even start to look better for Bitcoin. At the same time, I'm still in my $100,000 Bitcoin long position. Currently, I'm only in 0.6% gain. What is an approximately $400? So yeah, this is a very low leverage trade, but this trade I'm planning to catch the exact bear market bottom with. So what I'm doing, if the market is going to drop to $12,000, I'm going to trip it down on this position. So I will basically have a very good average entry price on this market. And let's say the market bottom is going to be already in, I at least catch the market bottom with an approximately trade of $55,000. So if you are actually interested in swing trading, what is very well done in bear market, you could do it so on Bybit or on BitGet. Bybit allows you currently to get a $30,000 deposit bonus if you do sign up using the link in the description. And if you're in the US, you can trade with BitGet on the US without a VPN, without KYC, and you can also get a deposit bonus up to $10,000. And on top of that, you will be able to get my free course if you sign up an account and deposit $500 in towards your BitGet account right now. So make sure to check it out. You get an email from BitGet with a code how you can get it. So make sure to check it out right now from BitGet. It's an absolutely amazing deal that you can currently get here. And let's continue with the video, because currently, of course, I've said this as well in yesterday's video. Right now, the market, the big thing where we should be looking out for is still that $18,000 to $19,000 barrier, right? We are seeing a small little relief, but this is only on the imminent short term, right? We want to be seeing that bigger relief. And how can we look for a bigger relief? And that is for me to just see a break above $19,000. If we break above $19,000, I'm very confident with saying, okay, I think the Bitcoin bottom is going to be in, but only if we do break above $19,000. And that is also exactly the level that I will be waiting for before I will be calling for that exact Bitcoin bear market bottom. Furthermore, if I'm looking at the daily time frame for Bitcoin, I am actually spotting one interesting trend line right here. You can see the downward sloping resistance line from May all the way down here towards November. We got rejected as well here in September. And here at the point we broke above it, we thought, okay, we're going to be seeing the relief rally, but then FTX collapsed. We broke below it, and look about what we're seeing right now. We're seeing once again a retest of this exact level yet again. So yeah, if Bitcoin does manage to be breaking above this level, to be very honest, going to be quite good for Bitcoin. It's going to be probably allow us to have an even bigger short-term relief on the market. We've been getting rejected by this level for an approximately, yeah, what was it? First time around for 149 days straight. Then we broke below it again, and now we've been basically being below it for approximately 190 days. So if we do break above it, yeah, this is definitely going to be good, a good sign in the market in general. And of course, on that weekly time frame, we can see the legendary support line. It is providing support for Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bouncing from the legendary support line basically every single time so far in history. And will history repeat once again? Let's see if it's going to be playing out. I do want to be pointing it out. I have been saying it for quite a while. A bullish divergence is being getting confirmed for the weekly time frame, and usually that leads towards a small relief for the Bitcoin weekly time frame. And I say small, but I mean small in terms of weekly candles. What could mean maybe 10 to 15 weekly candles before the bullish divergence is going to be played out. So yeah, things could be looking quite all right here. Also, do note the bullish divergence got created from an oversold condition, and due to that reason, it is very likely to, of course, expect a bigger relief. Just like if you create one from a bearish divergence on the top side, you have a bigger relief towards the downside, and now also exactly the other way around. So things are actually looking quite good for Bitcoin. But anyways, this was it for me on today's update video. I am still in a $100,000 Bitcoin long position. I am trying to catch the exact bear market bottom. But anyways, thank you so much for watching towards an amazing new video here on the channel. Excuse me for yesterday's update video, but I hope to see you guys on the next one. Peace out. Goodbye.